Good morning students, welcome back. Okay, I hope you have seen the previous video that was regarding in the Indian place value system. In this video, we will again have a in-depth look of international place value system. Question number 1. What is the difference between Indian and international place value system? Why both systems are actually needed? Very simple. Indian place value system is used for all number related calculation based in India. Okay, when you go outside India, they are not following this system of lakhs, crores. They are following the system of millions, billions and trillions and so on. So this concept is termed as international place value system. Okay students, so before we go into examples and everything, let us see the international place value chart. Let us you can say compare it with the Indian place value chart so that you have a clear idea how both things are working. Okay, so let me just draw outlook of the same. Number one thing to be remembered, Indian place value system can have 4 periods: ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. But on the other hand, international place value system for 6 standard will have only 3 periods. What are the 3 periods? One is ones period, okay, then thousands period, and students, there is no concept of lakhs period or crores period. The third one will be millions period. Okay, third one will be millions period. So first difference, Indian place value system has 4 period: ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. International place value system will have only 3 periods. Which are those 3 periods? Ones period, thousands period and millions period. Now students, remember, in Indian place value system, ones period had how many places? 3 places. Which were they? Ones, tens, hundreds. The same is the case here. Here also in ones period we will have 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. Correct? Fine. Now in Indian place value system, thousands period had 2 places. Which were those places? Thousands and 10,000s. Correct? Here there is a difference. Here thousands period will have 3 places. Which are those places? 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Okay. Millions period also has 3 places. What we will name them as? Million, 10 million and 100 million. So students, just compare your things with Indian and international. Indian place value I will revise. In Indian place value, the numbers are, the places are like that: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So you will have a basic idea. International place value system has 3 periods: ones period, thousands period and millions period. Ones period has all the periods have 3 places. Ones period has 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period has 3 places: 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Millions period also has 3 places: millions, 10 millions and 100 million. Correct students? Now let us take a basic example. Okay, so 971. Okay, sir taught you in the previous video that always start calculating the numbers from the back side and always start placing the numbers. So 1, 2, 7, 9, 2, 6, 1, 7, 9. Okay, use the periods to put the commas. 971, millions period over, 1 comma is here. 629, thousands period over, 1 comma is here. 721. Now how we will notice the number name? Please pay attention. In millions period 3 numbers are there. So how we will read? 971 million. In thousands period we have 3 numbers: 629,000, 721, and we know from 5th standard we are not speaking this one again. I repeat once more, 971,629,721. So we will write the number name here, students. Say 971 million. It is not millions, it is million. Okay, 629,629 thousand. Okay, 721. 721. Okay, students, I hope you are very clear with this international place value system example. Okay, just see the things carefully. We will do one more example now. One more example sir is writing, so that just like Indian one, this thing is also very clear. Okay, so let me see. 4, 21, 68, 919. Okay, so as you know, sir will use the same chart, and please remember how we are following the placement of numbers. We are placing it from the back. Okay, so 919, then 8, 6, then 1, then 2, then 4. This is not used, so we can put a cross. Okay, let us decide the position of commas. In millions period 2 numbers are there, so after that a comma can be put. In thousands period 3 numbers are there, so after that a comma can be put. And ones period 3 numbers are there, so 919. Okay, students, fine. Now let us proceed with the number name, students. Very simple. 42,168,919. I repeat once more. 42,168,919. So let me write it. 42 million, correct, 168,000, so 168,000. Okay, 919. 919. Okay, students, so hope you are very clear with this international numeration system. Questions will again be the same. Represent so and so number in international place value system and write the number name. Okay, so this will be all from me for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you understood it. Thank you and have a nice day.